Oh no, sorry, Lando's back to... Oh! Who's that? Oh no! Oh, it's Verstappen!
Oh, Liam!
That's Liam, is it?
Where's Verstappen?
Liam. Stop. Oh, Liam. Liam. Oh, the Brazilian's in fifth. Gabriel's in fifth.
Oh man, here's another step.
No, that was his teammate. Dawson. Oh my goodness, what an exciting race. There you go. My God. I don't know what's going on now. Oh, the safety car's out. The safety car again. Safety car again.
The safety car crashed?
Because of the crash. And
Oh, the safety car's out.
yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at it.
Here's another pit stop, Alex.
We got pit stops, we got crashes. It's raining in Melbourne.
A bit wet out there.
Oh!
Someone dropped their phone earlier. While there was a pit stop, they dropped their phone onto the pit stop. You don't want that to be me.
So, Norris. Oh, Verstappen's still set. Ferraris have made a mess
There's
of it.
blue skies here, Keith.
Yeah. What tyres did they put on? Intermediates?
Intermediate.
So they have a dry tyre, a wet tyre, a tyre between it, intermediate tyres. With a bit of...
What do they do here, man?
I don't know. No one knows because they can't. Because it's so unpredictable, they can't decide on what tyres to go on.
Right, should I shut down?
It's so cold. Cold and rainy in Melbourne.
Norris is still
So the
leading.
track has been wet, and then it dries, and then it's wet. So it's been an exciting race.
Hamilton's back down to 9th. Because of the pit stops. Another car's gone off. Oh
Tough day for rugby. Not for...
no! Oh no! It might be my man. It might be the...
It is, so it's more Panetti.
Hey?
It is.
Oh, is it?
Gabriel.
It's the Brazilian guy, mate. Yeah.
But Max is in second.
He's still there, yeah. Whoa! Did he hit him? Wow.
What?
This is identical.
Indian blue skies over here.
So where are we now?
Bringing you a little bit of F1.